If you don't want to mess up the beauty things of it.
Hey, what are you doing? Eating now?
Oh, no, it's okay. I don't want to travel.
Come on, it's the least I can do. Consider paying you back for helping me.
Oh, okay. I'm looking on mathematical problem, but it feels more difficult than.
Oh, I know this one. All you have to do is substitute the y value.
What? I can't get what I'm saying.
You need to substitute the y value and then you get the answer. So in this case, the answer is x equals to 143.
See, I love it.
Hey, you're making me blush. It's 8 o'clock. Where's Alfonso? Seriously, darling, you haven't wake up? Darling? Darling? Wake up, it's 8 o'clock. When will you wake up?
5 more.
Get up, will you? You have to fix the toilet, it's not working again.
Can I at least get a good morning, please, honey?
No, stop it. I have to go to work before it's late.
On, please.
Fine, just a little peck.
On the lips.
No, on your cheek.
Why?
Morning breath. Somebody's calling.
It can't wait.
Answer it. It could be important. And I also have to go to work. And darling, breakfast is in the fridge.
Okay. Hello?
Good morning, buddy.
What's so good about it? You ruined my morning.
Whatever. I'm only calling you to inform you about the reunion, which will be held at Betrayal as the Marys. Be there at 5. Everyone is coming, so you must come to a modern area.
Okay, I'll be there.
Hey, earlier I thought you couldn't make it.
We didn't miss it for the dog, yeah?
There's this Spanish I missed. Come on, let's get drunk and refresh our years.
Read my mind now.
Well. Looks like God has spent a lot of time on you. Hey, gal. Who's your friend now? Oh, my bad. This is Alfonso, my former classmate, and Alfonso is my friend, Viola. My pleasure. Come on, we should go. Excuse me, guys. I would like to make a toast to mark our reunion after 5 years. Cheers.
Hello. Hey, I'm at the marriage. A former classmate and I are having a reunion party. Don't worry,
Where do you think you're going?
I'll myself.
Give him some time. Excuse me, I'll get some beer. Okay, I'll be back. Sorry, Dad. We need to get some fresh air. Your friends are already drunk.
Hey,
Hey, what are you doing here?
what do you mean what I'm doing here? It's nearly midnight, so I called you many times, but you didn't answer.
If it's down people are staring at you.
You're embarrassed? We're married. It's normal for us to have an argument and for people to stare.
I know that, but
I don't care. Get in the car now. Hurry up. Hey, Rose. I have a favor to ask. I have an appointment today with Dr. Giselle, and I was hoping if you could come with me.
Sure, no problem, but to have a husband, why don't you tell him to accompany you?
Don't mention him. He's still soft because of last night.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay. Nico! Are you ready? Yeah, just a second. I'll be right aside. Let's go.
Oh, I forgot something in the car. I'll be right there.
Okay. Miss Di? Oh, Nicole! It's been so long since our last meet. Come take a seat. So true. By the way, how's my request which I mailed to you? Oh, about that, I think I've got something. Um, well, it is okay. She is my trusted friend. You say it to the both of us. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, it's just that I'm used to speaking with my patients privately. Anyway, about your heart condition, I believe it is an angina, or chest pain or shortness of breath, occurring with lesser degrees of arterial blockage. Well, what do you mean, doctor? So, to put it simply, it occurs when your blood flow is reduced. But don't worry, it is not that serious. So how can I cope with it, doctor? Got any advice? Okay, Nicole. All you have to do is to take a rest and be sure not to engage yourself in stressful activities which can worsen your condition. Dr. G, thank you. I really appreciate your hard work. And thank you again for your advice, and don't worry, make sure to take them. Okay, you should go now. Okay, bye. I'll see you again if you ever need my help. Okay, yes. Good luck, and please take care, all of you.
Should we tell Alfonso about this? This is no big deal, Rose. I can deal with it myself. It is not that serious. Are you saying we should not tell him?
Rose, please let this stay between us, okay? I don't want to worry him.
Well, it's up to you whether you want to tell him or not. But I respect your decision.
I know you would understand, Rose.
Anything for you, my friend.
We should hurry back before Alfonso wakes up and look for me.
Nicole. Nicole. Baby. Baby. How would I miss this chance to be with you?
So why are you standing there? Come and train. I'll message you when I get back.
Okay, fine. I miss you.
I'll miss you too. Bye.
Darling,
Don't darling me, where have you been?
I was just thinking a walk about you. Where did you go so early?
Don't you dare turn this back to me, Alfonso. I'm asking you a question. Where have you been?
I was just taking a walk like I said. Don't you see I'm sweating?
You better not kill me, Alfonso. I know you're lying.
What's up?
Oh my God, I'm falling for you. I just wanna give you the truth.
Oh, you came?
So, what was it that you want to tell me?
Nothing. Just wanna see you. I really miss you.
It's your so much.
So this is the secret you've been hiding, Alfonso?
No, it's not like what you think it is.
And what is it like, Alfonso? Tell me.
Look, I can explain.
I don't need you to explain anything. I've had enough of your pathetic excuses. And you are shameless, aren't you?
Excuse me, who is this, Alfonso?
I'm his wife, but not anymore.
Alfonso, how could you do this? You never told me you have a wife.
And excuse me, young lady. What else do you want to say?
No one wants a man. He's a man who wants everyone.
Can keep him. Never mind.
Go! 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 Let go! Let go! Let go! Let go!
Ah.
You okay? I'm on your house there. Come on, you should take a risk. Why would you do that to me? You know what's the put yourself down.
Go!
I believe you guys.
Look, I'm really sorry. I know what I did was wrong. And I deserve to be treated this way. But please, I can't be separated from you. I love you.
Why would you do that? Was that not enough?
You are more than enough, Nick. Please, could you give another chance to make this right, please?
Well, you should know this is the only chance I could give you.
Thank you. There won't be next time, I promise.